Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Thursday. It's February the 9th, 2012. We're going to be looking at Safeway Incorporated, ticker symbols SWY. You can see it right here. And what we have right now is an uptrend going on. It's been going on for a while, and we've got a nice little pullback here, really good pullback, and we're now starting to turn around, reverse back to the upside. You'll notice this candlestick's higher than the previous one, low points higher than the previous here. So you're actually starting to see a decrease, at least, of the sell pressure, and you're getting little bumps to the upside. So I want to be a buyer at 21.94 or lower if at all possible. Set a stop off of this low, which I've covered up because I'm an idiot. Fix that. All right. Here, it's the low 21.21, so a stop below that would be a 21.20, 1 cent below the low, because you can always have a double bottom, so you don't want to be setting it at the low exactly. The target will be a test of the previous high, because you're in an uptrend. You'd expect higher highs and higher lows. As long as that continues to be the case, you want to stay with it and play that particular side of the trade. So now you know what are we looking at for Friday. A couple other factors to look at here whenever you're analyzing the charts. We've got a couple other indicators on there. You can look at the 50-day moving average, the red line here. It's a simple moving average. This 50 days provided support here, it's provided support here, and it's now touching off that again here. So that's another reason to be looking for a bounce at this point as opposed to pulling back even lower. Something just to take note of. Also, I'd like to draw your attention to a notice that when you run up here before and you closed above the upper Bollinger Band line, that started to act as resistance. You sold off, bounced around in there a little bit. You run up here again, close above it, you sell off a little bit here again. And this time you run up here, you close above it, above it, above it, above it, above it. A lot more strength is now in play here as opposed to what was back here. So you're building momentum. That's that much more reason to expect a test of this high. So that's just another one of those indications that you can look at and just learn to spot on your own, okay? If you agree with today's analysis, give this video a thumbs up and be sure to check out our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com. It's 100% free. All we ask in return, your firstborn. No, refer a friend. That's right. That's all we ask. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.